Good afternoon, friends. My elder brother, Mr. Rajbhai Patel, specially came from Washington, D.C. I did his hair transplantation for 2 days. He will explain his experience, why he has chosen India over US or Turkey. And Rajbhai, please. He's a very big Sai Bhakt. It's a proud moment for me because he is a firm devotee of Sai Baba, and it's a privilege for me that I have worked for him. Sir, please.
Thank you, doctor. I think this is a great experience what I have. Actually, I have done so many. I have done my hair transplant a while back, 10 years back, but I got recommendation from my brother-in-law and I met doctor. So before I said he's not doctor, he's actually very true friends and his work is amazing. It's very, very good work he has done even after he works until almost close to midnight and finish all my work, hair transplant needed. And transplant was not even enough draft to take it out from anywhere, but he did use my the shave beard on the bottom and he used it up all, and he used so good technical and most reason whatever the facility in technology and the doctors are great. Experience is so amazing. If I would say, if you ever have to do any hair transplant, I would strongly suggest to come, doctor. It would be very, very grateful, so thank you very much.
People feel pain sometimes, swelling, infection. They worry a lot about India. What is your experience, Rajbhai? How and why you have chosen plastic surgeon over any other doctor?
Actually, I had appointment in Turkey actually this year February. Some reason I did not made it. My couple of friends actually went there. They did their surgery. There, it's okay compared to what it is, but I don't think the what I got it is great. I have not took any medication, pain medication, nothing whatsoever at all. Not even wash or nothing, even hot water, cold water, anything comes on that. There is no issue whatsoever, and I feel completely 100% totally as normal and relaxed.
Amazing. Just one thing I'm adding after completion of this hair talk. He's so amazing, Baba's devotee, that 3 days back, generally we don't speak about it, but he has what Baba has given him, and he has donated 1.5 crore gold mugat on Baba's head. So it is my privilege that he has done so many things for India, for community. He's trying to giving back as much as possible, and he has chosen me. So it is my pleasure that I have worked with you, sir. Please, Om Sai Ram.
Om Sai Ram. Thank you very
Yeah,
much.
yeah, my pleasure.
Yeah.